Guys, mag-harvest naman tayo ngayon ng bok choy. Guys, very easy to harvest lang pala dear. For today's mini vlog ay magha-harvest lang tayo ng gulay dito sa garden ni Johannes Anjan. Dahil ngayong araw na ito ay bibisitahin namin ang aming kaibigan na si James. Last time kasi na bumisita kami sa kanya, pinadalhan niya kami ng mga prutas at mga seedlings. Kaya naman ngayon ay bibigyan natin siya ng gulay. Marami na naman daw siyang avocado na ibibigay sa amin, kaya pupuntahan namin siya. 1, 2,
3.
ayan oh.
That's about how big they should be. Not any bigger.
Parang every 2 days, nag-harvest na din kami ng okra, guys. Ang bilis, no? Naalala ba ninyo nung tinanim namin ito nung 3 months ago ata bago ako nagbakasyon sa Pilipinas?
They're all good. There's 2 by your leg.
Hindi lang bok choy at hindi lang okra ang i-harvest natin ngayon. Kung hindi, itong snow peas din. Alam nyo ba, napakasarap nito kainin. Kahit nga hilaw guys, kikilawin mo lang, sobrang sarap na. At masarap din itong ihalo sa pansit. At eto na, nandito na kami sa bahay ni James.
Oh.
Bakas! Wow. Nakakatuwang isipin lang na kahit pala mga kano nag-e-enjoy at nanonood sa mga videos ni Johannes Anjan. Tara, silipin natin ang garden ni James. Si James pala guys ay isa sa mga casts ng movie na Crocodilos. I-search nyo guys at sabihan nyo ako pag napanood nyo yung movie ha. Isa kasi siya sa mga actors doon. Sobrang bait ni James. Mahilig din siya sa gardening guys. Kaya kapag may mga tanong kami regarding gardening, pumupunta kami dito sa kanila. Tara, silipin natin yung garden nila sa likod. Si James at si John ay matagal na ring magkaibigan. Siguro mahigit 20 years na. Ano kaya ang makikita nating bago sa garden ni James?
This is the cucamelon.
Dito tayo oh.
Cucamelon. You can see there's one there
Right.
behind the flowers.
Mm.
And they're supposed to get
Ang
about the
daming
size of about
kamatis
an
oh.
inch.
Wow, loaded.
But yeah, I put the chicken manure in there yesterday and washed it in. And I still got to put in the
Dito
block.
tayo sa farm ni James guys.
got all the sprinkler
Loaded of
systems running.
kamatis.
Yeah, I got a couple of weeks.
It's a lot. Work.
Done.
Each has a sprinkler.
These are the Everglades.
Ang daming kamatisan guys oh. Yan, tignan nyo. Ay, namunga na pala yung iba. There's already oh.
Find some. Put it over here.
Ayan oh, ang dami na oh.
So you already have fruit.
Yeah, oh yeah.
There's already
But
fruit.
that's as big as they get.
Oh, wow.
Mm.
You see?
Last time nung pumunta kami dito, wala ata ito, hindi ko napansin itong mga kamatisan guys. Pero ngayon, sobrang ano na oh, may mga bunga na nga yung iba guys. Yung iba pala dito ay binibenta ni James, so napaka madiskarte talaga guys. Yan ang sinasabi ko, pag mayroon kayong space sa inyong mga bahay, why not i-maximize ninyo? Magtanim kayo ng mga vegetables, tapos ibenta ninyo. Ganun daw kasi ang ginagawa niya, binibenta niya ang mga ito.
For your garden?
I got lots of tomatoes already.
Okay.
We have
This is mortgage lister. This is a
The big one.
humongous tomato. Yeah.
Alam nyo bang napaka-generous din ng friend namin na si James? Kasi nag-offer din siya sa amin na magdala kami ng mga kamatis or mga arugula at mga iba pang mga tinatanim niya dito. Pero sabi namin ni John is meron na kaming kamatis at arugula sa bahay.
This is a sweet blend. And it's your better deal with burpees. You get some seeds. This one here, I forget how many grams, 1.5 grams or something in this one. Steaks, I got so many,
Lots of tomatoes.
well, I sold quite a few, and then I stopped selling because people were making appointments and not showing up, so I just said, okay.
May mga customers din daw na na-encounter si James na nagpapa-appointment sa kanya na kunyari bibili daw ng mga vegetables pero hindi naman daw sila nag-show up. Kaya napagod na daw siya.
This is fennel that's non-bulbous. Somebody gave me some seeds. And
Non-bulbous?
non-bulbous. It doesn't bulb. So I don't know if they're growing it if it's for
For the fronds?
maybe or for the.
Ayun guys, oh may mga avocado. Ang dami pang avocado guys. Sobrang laki ng kanyang space dito guys. Oh, nakakainggit. Kaya naman kung ano-ano lang yung mga tinatanim niya dito. Katunayan nga, marami siyang mga prutasan din. At yung mga prutas niya guys, hindi lang basta-basta ha. Parang talagang mga 10 years old, 15 years old. Kasi ang lalaking puno talaga nila guys.
It gets caught.
We
in
had a
the
hard time
tiller. Oh my
pulling.
god.
Oh yeah, that'll destroy a tiller.
Oh, you just it spend a half hour trying to clean it out. After
No, I like this. The water goes through it.
yeah.
It doesn't pop.
Pansin nyo parang may nilalagay sila sa lupa na black na yan guys, na parang sako. Yan pala guys, ang nagpapatigil sa pagtubo ng sagbot. Nakalimutan ko kung anong tawag dyan guys. Pero mostly sa mga nag-gardening dito, yan nga ang gusto kong ikuan sa amin doon sa probinsya, sa aking mga kapatid para hindi na sila mahirapan kasi hindi talaga tutubo ang mga sagbot kapag lagyan mo ng ganyan ang lupa guys. Yung parang, parang sako man yan siya guys, uy. Nilalagay nila guys para hindi tumubo yung sagbot.
Over the years,
Ayan.
with fungus and everything else, I'm probably a more experienced grower now. I'll be able to get it.
Yeah, we have good luck with it. We already had we harvested 3 little.
They sell these tomato clips, and they're expensive as hell, and they're 2 parts, and you need.
Binigyan din pala kami guys nitong mga stick kasi yung iba naming mga pananim doon guys sa bahay is natutumba na siya. And yung iba, yung doon sa aming snow peas, parang hindi enough yung trellis na ginawa ni John. So, ano lang siya ba, maliit. So, sumpayan namin siya nito. Thank you so much.
Doesn't do well. So we replant with something good, smaller. But that's a $3,000 removal.
Is it?
Oh yeah, it's huge. It's 20 feet tall.
How big's the trunk?
Very big.
It's big around this year.
Kinukwento pala ni John na balak na naming ipaputol yung aming malaking puno ng mangga sa bahay. Kaso nga lang, halos $3,000 ang hingi ng mga magpuputol ng puno na yun. Kaya sabi ni James, may i-offer siya. Pag may makita daw siya na gagawa nun, kami pa daw ang babayaran. Kukunin lang daw nila yung mga lumber and everything. Sila na maglilinis, sila na magpuputol. Tapos kami pa ang babayaran. Sana makahanap siya, no?
Oh yeah, well,
Very windy.
Yeah, I wish the wind would stop. It's not October anymore. What's with the wind?
these might be bad ones before he singled out yesterday. This one might be.
Ala, nangahulog na yung avocado guys, Yan. Eto na guys, hindi na tayo mahirapan pang mag-harvest ng avocado dahil marami ng mga nangatagak na avocado. I think yung iba dito is mga kinakain na ng mga ulod, kinakain ng mga langgam.
Yeah, honest, you were right. Lots of avocados.
Lots of avocados. Ang daming avocado guys.
It's over here.
Ayan.
Oh, another kitty cat. Kitty looks dead.
Homeless now. See a squirrel.
Yeah.
When it comes off like that, it's good.
Sobrang windy lang guys sa araw na ito. Ganito talaga ang weather dito sa Florida guys. Madalas mainit dito and then minsan pagkahapon naman ay biglang umuulan. So parang probinsya lang talaga. Parang talagang nasa Pilipinas guys ang lugar namin dito sa Florida. Kaya magtataka kayo. Hala si Johannes nasa Amerika ba talaga si Johannes or nasa Pilipinas lang sa ibang parte ng Pilipinas? Okay, para talaga siyang nasa ibang parte lang ako ng Pilipinas guys. Dahil sa weather na napapansin ninyo. Sobrang init din siya dito guys, no? Kaya napapansin ninyo, bakit parang si Johannes pag umuwi ng Pilipinas, hindi man siya naging mistisa. Hindi talaga ako magiging mistisa guys kapag umuwi ako ng Pilipinas dahil ang weather, ang climate dito sa Florida ay parang the same lang din. Minsan nga, mas mainit pa dito guys sa Florida kaysa sa Pilipinas.
We tried to make the cat let him sleep inside, but they wake up at 3 in the morning. They want out.
They
It's
wanna go out.
That's done with. Plus, they ruin the furniture.
Yeah. I had one get into my back room the other day.
Ayan, ito na po yung nakuha natin na
Trapped on one of the
avocado. At bago kami umuwi, pinadalhan din kami ni James ng fresh arugula.
Okay, you can just reach in and help yourself. Nice and fresh.
It's arugula.
Arugula.
Oh, that is so good.
Good. One serve. Wow.
Take another one. That's only one salad. Come on.
Fresh from the farm. Nothing
Can't waste them.
doesn't get fresher than that.
So go on James Clean Grow Garden and bakas.
Bakas, yeah. Bakas. West Palm
Definitely.
Beach.
I want to see.
At binigyan pa niya kami guys ng mga extra na stick na ilalagay daw namin sa aming garden. Maraming salamat James sa mga binigay mo sa amin today. Ay, ang daming starfruit sa mga kapitbahay natin guys. Oh. Mas malaki pa ito guys sa puno ng starfruits kaysa sa bahay. At ang dami parang hindi sila kumakain ito guys. Kasi alam nyo, tignan nyo nagkalat lang sa kalsada. Alam nyo, binibigay lang daw nila ito sa kung sino man ang dumadaan dito. Pero alam nyo ba na sobrang mahal ng starfruits dito sa Amerika? Yung isang piraso ng ganyan makikita mo sa supermarket nagkakahalaga ng $2.99 up to $5 each. Imagine nyo guys. From 150 pesos up to 250 pesos yung isa. Pero dito guys, nagkalat lang. Hindi mahilig kumain ng starfruits yung mga kano. Pero meron silang puno. Bahay na kami guys. Ito na, ililigpit na natin itong mga binigay sa amin ni James. Ay, meron tayong arugula and then itong avocado, ililipat ko lang siya dito sa may lagayan. Beans or no?
Green beans, no.
Okay. Nagutom na rin kami kaya magpe-prepare na si John ng lunch. Magluluto daw siya ng stir-fry veggies. Meron pa naman ditong carrots. Tapos yung mga na-harvest natin sa garden of course. Ito yung mga snow peas. Ayan, sabi ni John hindi daw siya kumakain ito guys kasi may seeds. Bawal kasi si John sa may seeds. Kaya konti lang guys yung kinuha ko. Hahagpatan lang natin ito. Tatanggalan lang natin ito ng mga ito guys. Yung mga unsa tawag anak niya guys. Ano ba ang tawag niyan guys? Yung mga tinatanggal ko. Kasi pangit yan kainin At ang partner pala namin dito guys ay ayang ginakino-kino ni John. Yan po yung na-marinate niya kanina na tofu. Ipiprito niya lang yan guys at saka yan po yung ipapartner natin mamaya sa ating gulay.
maybe it's too mature.
Hello?
But you won't notice it.
Oh? Hello?
You won't notice it.
Actually, all of them. No, it sticks in my hand.
They gave us a bum variety.
So just let it.
Yeah. You don't have to wash it again. You don't have to go crazy. It's just to keep it from popping when you fry it. Just to keep it from popping when you fry it. To get the moisture out. As long as it's not wet, it's okay. Whatever feels nice.
Meron siyang mga ano guys, mga tinik-tinik. Tinik sa lalamunan. Bakas!
Pakas!
I'm so fried. Sabi na, good for God. That looks very fresh.
Looks very fresh.
I think it's done now.
So they just flipped it.
Lalagyan namin dyan ng vegan oyster. It's already done.
Pretty much.
And then, hala, it's gonna be delicious, guys. No need rice. Ang bango nun. Wow.
All it's missing is mushroom. Throw it in. I always forget this. Just dump everything in once. Kaboom.
Yeah, it's easy to cook.
Yeah, it just needs to be warmed up. So there's still a little
Wow! Yeah. Cool.
See, James, there's your tofu stir fry. Crispy tofu.
Bakas.
Bakas.
Alright.
Shout out James Ferrigno.
James Ferrigno, shout out to you.
crispy, tasty snow peas.
Uh-huh. Nothing doesn't get fresher than this.
Support your local farmer.
They say can eat a lot with this. Mm-hmm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, look. Mm. So good.
Even if you don't like tofu, you'd probably like this one.
Mm-hmm. James would like this one.
Mm-hmm.
It depends on how you cook it.
Last time I made it, it didn't seem like it absorbed the juice, the marinade. I don't know if that was the tofu or what. It says don't use regular soy sauce. I don't understand. Because then it really won't have any flavor if you use light. I should probably try it with the dark soy sauce.
Maybe that's what I meant.
No, they want you to water it down too. So use light, don't use regular.
Mm. Mm. The guys, oh. Fresh from the garden. Mm.
So the furry bok choy you don't even notice.
I like them.
If you're trying. Otherwise you don't know. Because the radish leaves are the same. But if I chop it up and put it in the salad, cannot tell.
Hello everyone! Kakabalik lang namin galing sa work ni John. And naghatid lang kami ng mga pasalubong. And nagpa-grocery kasi si Cora, yung kasamahan ni John sa trabaho na Pinay. Kasi ganito yan siya pagka wala. Hindi kasi siya nagda-drive, hindi rin siya nag-Uber. Hindi marunong mag-drive ba, wala lang sasakyan. So, binilhan namin siya ng mga pangkonsumo niya kasi wala yung boss nila eh. 2 weeks ata wala, 31 ata babalik. So, ngayon ay naghatid kami sa kanya ng mga grocery. So, bumili na rin kami. Dumaan kami sa Publix kanina. Bumili kami ng itong tawag nito sushi. Paborito talaga namin ito guys. As in, ever since. Ayan, ito sa akin. Superior Dark Soy Sauce.
I like it better.
That's better.
Mm-hmm.
Masarap daw pala yan guys.
More flavor.
More flavor daw siya. And then lalagay lang natin dito
Is
din.
that big enough to mix in?
This one? I think so. Or maybe bigger. Ayan. And then, we're just gonna put everything. Bakit nila nilalagyan it? Why is it they put it somewhere?
So it doesn't touch the food.
Oh,
So I noticed that
some people, they don't like it.
that's too much.
Oops.
I'm gonna give you some because there's too much. If you mix it with less, it's easier to make it into a paste.
And then you're gonna mix it with another soy sauce or what?
Uh-huh.
Ah. Yun pala ang sekreto. The secret is you mix it first with dark
Yeah, it's
soy.
easier to turn it into a paste instead of having all the little chunks.
Mmm. It's better. Mmm.
And with this one, you don't even need the rice.
Mm-mm. Harap. This one?
Just eat it sashimi style, yeah.
Mm-mm. Ay, oo nga. Hindi talaga ako mahilig sa ganito, guys. Before, nung nasa US na ako,
Is this your water
nagustahan ko na. Mm-mm.
or is the lower one? Did you drink more?
Yeah, I drink more.
Do you want water or do you want soda?
Soda is good.
Soda goes with sushi.
Mm-hmm. Once in a while na lang ako nagsusoda, guys, eh. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Partner talaga ito ng ginger. Meron talagang ginger ang sushi, no? I think okay din ang dito, Sara.
No peas are too tall. I have to add something for them to climb on.
Ito na nga pala yung mga stick, guys, na binigay sa amin ni James sa kanina. Sinusumpay lang ni John dito sa mga existing na stick na nandito sa garden natin. Kasi sobrang haba ng mga snow peas. Kailangan nang may makatayan talaga sila, guys. Ito na nga pala guys, kinabukasan na itong video na ito. Sa breakfast, kinain ko na yung avocado na binigay sa amin ni James. Low carb lang tayo ngayon guys. Meron ako dyang keto bread, and then avocado, and then ano pa, egg, and then meron akong sausage dyan at chicken.
Yep. With the keto bread.
At dito ko na lang tatapusin yung vlog natin sa araw na ito guys. Sana kahit papano nag-enjoy kayo. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at paggahin sa oras guys. Alam ko may mga trabaho pa kayo dyan pero naggahin talaga kayo ng oras para panoorin ako. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Sa mga bago nating subscribers, maraming salamat po at sana nag-enjoy kayo at huwag kayong mag-alala, bibigyan pa namin kayo ng mga magagandang video sa susunod. And for now, hanggang dito na lamang po. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!